Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Permission to introducing myself. My name is Cindy Putri Lestari, NPM 224111013 from Management Class 20A. On this occasion, I will present material on the theme of HR training and development continue and human resource management performance assessment. Training and development of human resource HR in a company organization is an effort to improve the quality of employee work life so as to produce product and service of the highest possible quality with planned targets. This program is closely related to structured systematic effort aimed at achieving mastery of skill and abilities in the field of work. Knowledge about the field of work an employer is currently involved in and the soft skill of employees and employers. Therefore, employers as company asset must have the opportunity to participate in training and human resource development so that every employer in a company can discover and conscious potential within themselves that may still be hidden. Training and development refers to the total structure and program inside and outside of employee work that the company uses to develop skill and knowledge, essentially for job performance and career promotion. Usually, training refers to developing vocational skills that can be used immediately. Training and development human resources with a program focus as stated above. Activities are carried out at Highland Camp, which is on the western ridge of Mt. Pasiban in the Halimun Mountains and Halimun Village, namely 5,000 villages in the buffer zone in the Halimun Mountains. In HR training and development, outbound as a method is often used in implementing experiential learning, known as outbound training or outbound management training (OMT). Apart from being a method of HR training and development, currently outbound is divided into three categories, namely outbound as education, outbound education as recreation, outbound recreational, or what is known as fun outbound and outbound adventure. Understanding training. Training refers to a way of acquiring knowledge and skill as a result of learning about vocational or practical skill and knowledge related to specific useful competencies. Training is a narrow human resource management concept that involves the activities of providing planned specific instruction such as training on specific operation products or skill training. According to Purwendra, the word training comes from the word train plus the beginning p and the suffix n, which means that someone is used to it a condition that someone has become accustomed to after going through the process of learning of being taught. Training means lesson to get used to or acquire certain skill. Trainers are people who provide training. Training is a process that includes a series of action, effort, carried out deliberately in the form of providing assistance to workers carried out by training professionals within a unit of time with aims to improve the work abilities of participants in certain field of work in order to increase effectivity and productivity in an organization. Manuel, according to Jusmelin, training is the process of training new employees or employees who will receive a new development with the basic skills that need to carry out their work. Understanding development, the concept of human resources development in organization in essentially an effort to increase competitiveness against external environmental threats and an effort to increase innovative power in order to create opportunities. Human resources development in organization is integral as individual and system and organization as a forum for human resources in a planned and sustainability manner to increase employee competency through training, education, and development program. In general, development in the concept of human resources development means preparing individuals to assume different or high responsibilities in companies, organizations, institutions, or educational institutions. Training must increase employee effectiveness, increase employee satisfaction, fulfill equal employee opportunity program, and private employee obsolescence and human resources HR. Training is an important process for organizations to improve employee skill, knowledge, and work abilities. Diagnosis of aspects of the environmental and organizational situation and build as job analysis in the first step in preparing a training and development program. 3 are for categories of companies according to Henry Shimamura that provided the most effective training practices. The management is committed to training and development. Training is part of the company culture. Training is related to business goals and strategies and closely related to business profit result. The is a systematic and comprehensive approach to training and development carried out at levels of the organization on an ongoing basis. 3 is a commitment to invest the necessary resources to provide adequate time and fund for training. HR performance assessment. Performance assessment in human resources management is useful for evaluating performance, develop and motivate employees, verify that employees meet performance standards, and helps employees manage their performance but can be a source of anxiety for employees and managers when there is uncertainty and ambiguity in the assessment. Performance appraisal process must be able to identify performance standards, measure assessment criteria, and provide feedback to employees regarding the result of their assessment in order to improve future performance and concrete performance that just not meet standard. Several performance assessment methods are checklists, rating scales, critique incidents, narrative, behaviorally unhurried rating cell bars, fillet, fishy, Tasha, managed by Objective MBO, Physiology. The causes of error in assessment are halo effect, central tendency, leniency, strictness, personal projective, stereotyping, vacancy effect. The performance assessment of civil servants in career out based on government regulation number 10. HR is people who have resources or potential to perform positive activities. Management human resources. According to managerial function are planning, organizing, delivering, and contract. While according to function, operational or product development, compensation, integration, maintenance, and disconnection work.